inconvenient. EVs are becoming smarter with Level 3 and Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities. Some cars can already park themselves and handle complex city traffic. Charging stations are becoming more abundant with super-fast charging stations, enabling 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Solid-state batteries expected to hit the market in 2025 will make charging even faster, improve battery life, and increase energy density. More cars will feature full autonomy by 2025, with vehicles capable of handling urban environments, highway driving, and parking without human intervention. With expanded charging networks and sustainable materials, the electric vehicles of 2025 are faster, smarter, and more eco-friendly than ever before. The future of electric vehicles is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. As we approach 2025, the electric vehicle market is set to experience its most transformative year yet. With cutting-edge technology, faster charging capabilities, and longer driving ranges, electric cars are becoming the mainstay of the automotive industry. In this video, we'll explore the top electric cars of 2025, what innovations are driving the industry, and why the future of driving is electric. Tesla's Cybertruck is one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of 2025. Known for its futuristic design, rugged off-road capabilities, and insane performance, it's changing the game for electric trucks. Power, up to 800 horsepower in the tri-motor version. Range, 500+ miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds for the tri-motor version. Towing capacity, 14,000 pounds. Tech features include bulletproof exoskeleton, armor glass, autopilot, and full self-driving capabilities. Tesla's Cybertruck is not just an electric truck, it's a new kind of vehicle altogether, blending extreme durability with high-tech features.